To summarize this particular chapter, what we have learnt in straight lines, we started off with very simple, that is, what is a straight line, correct? We started off with that one where we understood that we have infinite points are there in a straight line, and in coordinate system, the very first thing what we started off was different forms of line. Y is equal to mx plus c, the 2-point form, the slope point form, which is very important. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? And then we have the intercept form, x by a plus y by b is 1. Then we have the normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So for all these things, the very important parameters, there are two parameters, slope and the intercept, correct? Slope is the change in the value of y to the change in the value of x. Take the ratio, that's going to give you the slope. And also, slope gives you the orientation, isn't it? So we have three: positive slope, zero slope, negative slope, right? So all these things, it's going to give you the orientation. Then we have the intercept. Intercept gives you the position. Is it above the origin, below the origin, or to the left or right of the origin? Intercept, isn't it? X-intercept and Y-intercept, both of them. Now, after the equations of line, different forms of line, then we have the general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. From that, we can get the slope minus a by b. And we also can get what is the x-intercept minus c by a, isn't it? Now, once you have the value of the y-intercept, the x-intercept and the slope, then what we have is we are going to understand about the normal form with respect to the general form, correct? And also the intercept form with respect to the general form. We discussed, we understood these kind of topics. Once this was done, then we moved on to the distance between a point and a line, the perpendicular distance or the shortest distance. That mathematically can be given by the formula d is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square, where a, b, c are the coefficients, x1, y1 is the point, and from this we'll get to know the perpendicular or the shortest distance. Then we have the shortest distance between the 2 points. Then we have the shortest distance between the two parallel lines, which we can calculate by mod of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. This pretty much sums up whatever we have learned in this entire chapter of straight lines.